Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Lynette Isvanet Services. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Kenyan time is 7:30 p.m. Kenyan time. You're gonna share where you're watching us from. This is Kitale. We are back on site and you can see we are working 24/7. Yeah? It's already dark. You can see our lights are on. We're gonna discuss everything that we've done here. Our chandeliers are on. This is a dining space, guys. It's Yeah, this dining place, guys, you can see our lights are on. Chandelier light, they look so beautiful, and light is very, very important in a home setup. It improves the beauty of the home. So we are working 24/7 just to ensure this work is done because we have time frame. We need to hand over this project. We need to hand over the mansion to the client. So we're gonna walk around and see the beautiful lights, the beautiful chandeliers, the wall brackets are here. And our automation system is here. It's off, it's on. We use this day, making it smart life, smart living. Yeah, this automation. And if you've been watching our previous video, guys, we always show you step by step how we do it. The period we are doing it, we always share out. So make sure you check us out. Isvanet Services. Don't fail us. Let's walk around and show them the beautiful mansionette. This is the living room. Yeah, this is the living room. It's very spacious, you can see. And just chandelier around. Just show them, come to us and show them. This chandelier over here. It's so beautiful, very bright. Yeah. It adds more beauty to this room. So we're gonna show them around. And our wall brackets are here. Very beautiful and bright. They look so cool. These are glass. Yeah, these are glass. Wow. Okay, come to say. I just show them how this automation works. We're gonna manage our lights from here. This is the main point. This is the security. We have the entrance. That is the entrance. It's on, it's off. This is the garden lights. You can manage the garden lights from here, guys. And I'm gonna show you practically. We're gonna move after. It's gonna be some places gonna be dark, so you might not see some things very clear because it's already dark. Kenyan time, it's already dark. It's night already. So we're just gonna show you around. Guys, stay tuned. Just come and show them the compound. You can only get the sound of the birds. You can see the garden lights, very bright. Now let's walk upstairs and show them. People are still at work. Let me see if the kitchen is open. It's locked. Let's walk upstairs and show them. Yeah, the stairs, the lights are here. They're on. We are almost done. We are at 98%. 98% so that we hand over the project. That one is off. Bring it on. That one is off. This is how we can bring them on and off. Even if you are not around, doesn't matter where you are, what the time. So here, this is a private room. We won't show it. It's a private room right now. I don't know, we are almost finishing the project. We are almost handing over the project. Engineer, will you share with us something? Because we are at the peak, we are almost handing over this project. That's why we are working 24/7 just to stay on time to make sure everything is in place. Yeah.
So the experience has been good.
Yeah.
We're almost done. In fact, today we're doing a bit of testing the plan.
Yeah.
So everything is done. We are good to go. The systems are operational, security is top notch, the lights are operating well, the smart system is working well. So we are good.
Okay, guys. So the services we are offering here, I mentioned before, I'm gonna repeat once more. The whole building, we do electrical work. That's one. Number two, we have the automation system, the smart living. Yeah. Number three, we have alarm system. We have security services, CCTV cameras. We've already installed and we've shown you. And here, you can just show them from here. Yeah. So right now, I know if the client is watching us what we are doing here because our cameras are on and you can see the way they are showing from different places. We have the, like this one. This one is the, let me just start from here. This you can see we are watching the gate where the cursor is. That is the gate. You can watch what the soldier is doing over there. If you are here, this is the garden area. This is the security section. This is the entrance. You can see whoever is coming in, whoever is leaving. And this one again, it's near the garden place. This is just the front door outside there. Yeah, so everything is in place, guys. Today it was our testing day. It all went successful and we are very happy. Happy clients, happy business, guys. It is always good to deliver. So check us out, Isvan Services. I will pin our card there so that you can reach us out so easily using our contact, our link, YouTube channel, Isvan Services. So always check us out, give us back. We always deliver the best because we need our clients to refer us to friends, colleagues, and anyone outside there who needs professional work. Without further ado, guys, we're gonna stop from there and I'll show you more on our YouTube channel. Make sure you tune in. Show them around, show them the light. This is the open space balcony. So you can just rest somewhere here and see what is happening in your compound. I think the garden lights, guys. It had some beauty. Lights are very important, and you need to have enough light in your compound. It is always very important, guys. See what is happening at any given time. So that is the compound. Those are the garden lights. It's a beautiful home. So I'm going to take the view from outside now, so that you see the mansionette, how it is. Let me just take a view from outside. View from outside, guys. Let me just show you the beauty of lights. Enough light, not that light, not just light, enough light in a room, in a compound. This is a view from the front of the house. That is the camera. The camera is watching me. We have cameras all round, all round. Security is always very important. That is another CCTV camera. I'm gonna take the view from backyard. A view from backyard, guys. You wanna see how the lights makes it very beautiful. This is from the backyard. Wow, all lights are on. Wow, at night, view from outside. Very beautiful. See the beautiful chandelier. view from outside, the beautiful chandelier. This is the dining. We are watching the dining from outside. These are temporary chairs right now. It has not been furnished. So guys, thank you so much to our subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. We really appreciate your love and support. We don't take it for granted. If you're watching this video for the first time, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel Isvanet Services, where you get quality. Quality always matters, because we have professionals on the ground. Thank you so much, and see you in our next video.